this video, I want to explore the shape recognition tool. This is the button that looks like a hand drawing a shape in the center of your screen. If I click that button, anytime I draw a shape on my panel, it will automatically change it to a perfect shape. Let me do that again. Notice there are several choices that you have available menu-wise with that shape. If I wanted a different color, I could click the color palette and then choose white, and so now it draws the shape in white. I could also resize it. If I click any of those circles on any of the sides, I could click and drag it, so I could make it more of a rectangle now. If I click any of the corners, I can make it larger or smaller. If I click on the menu choice, the button that has an arrow pointing to the right, I can actually duplicate and pull out that shape forever. I'm going to go to the next page. I'm going to go back to that shape recognition tool and click it a second time. Now I can actually make it draw perfect shapes for me. So let me click on a triangle. If I then click and drag my finger on the panel, it's going to draw that triangle for me. Once again, I've got menu options. I could change my color. If I go down to the 3 lines at the bottom of that menu, I could lock it. I could change the thickness of the line. I could fill it in with a new color. I could change that color's translucency, so I could make it brighter or darker. Notice you also have choices there to mirror it or flip it. So if I did mirror, I could rotate it across its axis. Go ahead and just play with that shape recognition tool and enjoy.